AutoDS versus ZenDrop, which is better for dropshipping. So there are two leading dropshipping platforms that offer a range of features to help us to automate our operations. Both platforms offer a user-friendly interface, powerful automation tools, and a wide range of integrations. However, there are also some key differences between the two platforms. So in this video, we'll take a look at their features, unique features, pricing, pros, cons. So in the end of the video, you'll know exactly which platform is the most suitable as for you. And also I'll show you the way to get best conditions to join these platforms, like 1 month free on AutoDS and also on ZenDrop, which is pretty cool. So let's take a look and compare them, and after that you'll know exactly which platform better for you. So they have like common features such as product sourcing from AliExpress and other suppliers. I don't think that it's that important to know, because if you're doing dropshipping, both platforms should do this. So they also have like order fulfillment and tracking, inventory management, so you won't be able to make the stock out or some other thing, and also like customer support. But let's take a look at unique features, which is really important. So AutoDS provides us the opportunity to import products in just one click. So they allows us to import products from AliExpress and other suppliers. They have like automatic order fulfillment. AutoDS can automatically fulfill orders placed on your store, saving our time and effort. Also, they have like advanced pricing rules. It means that we can compare them with our like competitors or with other platforms, and we can automatically change it according to rules that we set, for example, like yesterday or a few days ago. And also they provide us the opportunity to interact with mobile app by AutoDS. So they have the mobile app that allows us to manage your store on the go, which is pretty cool. You don't have to use your laptop, or like you can use your phone while you're traveling or do some other things. And if we're going to talk about ZenDrop unique features, we can see that they have like US-based fulfillment, which is pretty cool if you want to work with primary US market. ZenDrop offers US-based fulfillment, which can help you reduce shipping times and costs. They have branded packaging. ZenDrop can provide branded packaging for your products, which can help you to build your own brand. So if you are interested in that, you can definitely use ZenDrop, because AutoDS do not have this feature. Product bundling. ZenDrop allows us to bundle products together, which can help increase our average order value. And also they have like customizable dashboard. ZenDrop offers a customizable dashboard that allows us to track our store's performance. So it could be really good if you want to track more information, find more statistics, and so on. Let's take a look at prices. On AutoDS, there are 3 pricing plans, like basic, standard, and premium. Depends on the platform you'd like to interact with. So if you want to work with eBay, Facebook, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy, prices may look a little bit different, but mostly they start from $20 per month if you're going to pay for the whole year at the start. And also ZenDrop offers 2 pricing plans, starter and pro. That's pretty cool, and both of them have like a 3 trial. I'll talk about it a little bit later. Let's take a look at their pros, cons. On AutoDS, it's definitely easy to use, powerful automation tools, they have wide range of integrations and affordable pricing. If you're going to talk about cons, it could be slow at times, and they have limited customer support. On ZenDrop, we have US-based fulfillment, branded packaging, product bundling, customizable dashboard, and cons is like more expensive than AutoDS, fewer integration than on AutoDS. And which platform is right for you? AutoDS is good option for businesses that are looking for a comprehensive dropshipping solution with a wide range of features. ZenDrop is good option for businesses that are looking for US-based fulfillment and branded packaging. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your specific needs and your budget, of course. An additional factor to consider: product selection. Like AutoDS offers a wider range of products to choose from than ZenDrop. Shipping times. ZenDrop's US-based fulfillment can help us to reduce shipping times, especially if you are shipping to customers in the United States. and customer support. AutoDS offers 24/7 customer support, while ZenDrop's customer support is only available during business hours. The best way to decide which platform is right for you is to try them both. Both AutoDS and ZenDrop offer free trials, so we can experiment with each platform and see which one is the best. On AutoDS, you can get 1 month free trial just simply going to the description and to use my link. You'll get 1 month instead of 14 days, which is pretty cool. And the same thing with ZenDrop. Use my link in the description to get the best conditions to join this program. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.